In this video, I'm going to show you how to do Royal Queue manual trading. Okay guys, so I will show you how you can do manual trading inside Royal Queue app. Now you see on my phone right here, you can see I have coins with sync strategy and I have coin with no sync strategy. So this is a manual trading. I have one coin here called AVE. This is a manual trading. I will show you my AVE coin, the transaction record, and this is how much I'm making with AVE. I am making consistent profit, guys. If we add all this up, it's going to be around 2 to 3% of my capital for this coin, and it's pretty good. I will show you how I'm using this manual trading. Okay, this is very powerful and I'm able to make $14, $12 a day, $11 a day. Now before we jump into the manual trading, two very important things, guys. First one is your balance. Okay, your balance right here, I'm using Binance. If I refresh the page, I still have $1,400. Now for one coin, guys, for this method, for my own manual trading settings, I need $400. Okay, $400 for one coin. So you need to calculate your own setting, how much money you need, and make sure your balance is enough. Do not be greedy. If you are greedy, you could have a big floating loss. And secondly, you can choose the coins right here. Ideally, you want to choose hot coins. Now, my method to choose a coin, you can either use CoinMarketCap and see the coins, which one you want to play. You can sort by, the last 7-day performance. You can see what coins have the most momentum. You can see some coins are having a lot of momentums right here, but it could be too late. Again, make your own choice, guys. This is not financial advice. Now, what I personally would do, I go to home and you will see there is this hot tab. I will click on it and I will see these are the coins that are hot right now. There's ADA, there is Shiba, there is DOT, BTC, AVE, Link. These are the hot coins right now. So this is Cardano, which is ADA. I'm planning to play with ADA and you can see it's pretty hot. And when I see the chart, I see there are potential, okay, for this chart. To play manual trading, guys, you need to know a little bit about technical analysis. So I will choose ADA and I will go to quantitative and I will find ADA. Okay, this is the coin that I want to play. I will click on this coin. Now I will press on cycle. If you don't understand what these settings are, go back to this video, watch it, understand it before you try manual trading, guys. And after I changed it, I will change my strategy mode. Okay, this is the next step. You can use whole warehouse, sub-bin mode, or sub-bin mode real time. In this case, I'm gonna use sub-bin mode real time. And then we will go to trade settings. Now the first buying amount, I would put $20. That's going to be my settings. And margin call limit, I will put 32. So we will have 32 layers of margin call in case, see here, in case the market drop like this, guys, just in case the market keep going down. And with these 32 layers, we are going to able to sustain up to 70% market drop, which is unheard of the Bitcoin history. And then the whole profit take back ratio, I will put 1.3%. So whole position take profit ratio, meaning, let me zoom in here. So let's say if the market goes up by 1.3%, we're going to take profit. Let's say we buy down here, guys, and it goes up by 1.3%, we're gonna take profit. Now whole position take profit call back 0%. If we change it to, let's say I will change this to 0.1. Okay, so if I change to 0.1, guys, if you see here, if it goes up by 1.3%, it will not sell yet. It have to wait which is the whole position take profit callback, it have to wait to drop by 0.1%. Let's say it dropped 0.1% here, and then it will sell. We have this command telling the bot that you must not sell unless it dropped by 0.1%. If let's say this drop is less than 0.1%, let's say it keep going up, guys, go up to 5%, and then it go down 0.1%, then it take profit, we make more money, right? Correct? If just now we set to 0%, we would take profit right here, 1.3%. If we make a callback at least 0.1%, it goes up to like, let's say 5%, it go down 0.1%, then the bot will execute the sell. Okay, that's the function of these two. You can set it to 0%, but I personally like to set it 0.1% because who knows, right? There's a whale, suddenly this blow out, like it goes up to 10% or 8%. And since we have this setting, we can also take profit of that 10%. But if we set it to 0, the bot will execute at 1.3% dead on because we set it to 0. So this is why I will set it 0.1 here. And buy and callback, I will set to 0.3%. Now buy and callback is the same as whole position take profit callback. But instead of for the uptrend, this is for the downtrend, guys. If you see the trend here, let's say it dropped, right? So when the market drop, according to our margin call, if you see this margin call 0.8%. If it goes down by 0.8% and then it goes up 0.3%, then the bot will buy. It will execute the buy, okay? It's the same thing for the previous one. We need the 0.3% because in case, okay guys, in case, let me show you what happened. In case like this big drop happened, guys, in case this big drop happened, if we set it to 0%, it could buy right here, which we don't want to. We want to buy at the bottom. Why we buy here is better than we buy here. Because if we buy here, the coin is cheaper, guys. It's cheaper, and when we buy here, we can decrease our average price much lower. Does it make sense? Would you buy the coin at this price, or would you buy the coin at this price? Okay, obviously we want to buy it at this price, right? It's much cheaper. That's why we put the buy and callback right there. If we set it to 0, if it goes down a little bit, it will just buy, which just doesn't make sense. What if the market drops suddenly 50% because of the whale selling a lot of money, selling all this token, and you know, it's better for us to wait for the market to retract a little bit and then we buy. Okay, that's what's the function for. And then distributed take allocation profit is basically based on your margin call. Supposition profit callback, I will set it 0.1. This one is for sub-bin mode real time. It's the same thing with buy and callback, but it is for margin call 5th, 6th and beyond, guys. Okay, starting from 5th, 6th and beyond. 0.31 is for first buy in amount, margin call 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now my margin configuration, I will set it like this. Now this one I will time 2. So our first buy in amount just now is 20, right? So when it drop, I will buy $40. That's what I will do, because oftentimes this is very profitable. Then the rest I will put 0.5, which is $10. 20 multiplied with 0.5 is $10. And let's say if it drop another 0.75%, I will buy 0.5 again. This is the best setting. After I've joined a lot of circle, I think this one is pretty good. Again, everyone have different settings, guys. You can follow mine if you want to, or you can make your own setting. I'm just showing you how to set it up. Now margin call number 9, let's say it drop another 2.91%, I will buy 1.5. So instead of $10, I will buy $30 right here. And what if the market goes back up, we're gonna take profit even bigger. And the rest I will put the same. You can follow along, you can set your own number. I will split this up. once you've done everything, guys, you can confirm it. So I have confirmed it. Now, if you add all this up, guys, all the margin call drop, it can sustain up to 70% market drop, okay? 70%, which is more than enough. And then this one, the multiple buying ratio, if we add all this all up, it's going to be, we have 32 layers, right? 30 multiplied by 10, $300. And then we have one layer is $30, and the other layer, this one 2 times, is $40. So if we add a $70, adding the first buy in $20, so $390 total. Okay, so $400 for one coin should be enough. And that's my whole settings, guys. And this is the sub-bin take profit. Okay, it's the same thing as your whole position take profit ratio, 1.3%. So instead of 1.1%, I will change it 1.3 for all of them. So it's the same for the previous setting. Okay, this is for sub-bin, guys, which is only for layer 5th until layer 32. Okay, you can make your own layer. If you want to make 50 layer, if you want to make 10 layer, it's up to you. And if you want to make the gap bigger or lower, it's up to you. This is kind of a nice number right here. But if you want to be more conservative, you can change it to 1%, again, depending on the market. And make sure you confirm after you have changed this. And save it, guys. Save the settings. Make sure everything is correct. Strategy mode is correct. Sub-bin mode, real-time settlement. So everything looks good. Okay, everything looks good. All the number is what I want. I will save it again. And here I will just press on start and confirm. That's how you can do a manual trading, guys. We just wait and you will see the news right here. It will start buy, which is $20, which is the first buying amount. If you want to put $10, $15, it's up to you. I'll put $20. Let me show you what happened to my AVE. This is also manual, guys. Now I have two manual, AVE and ADA. For AVE, let me show you what happened for my AVE. It's the same thing for my AVE settings. So this is AVE, okay? When I press on start for my AVE, it buy, okay? Buy. Okay, this is string strategy. This is not counted. So this is where I start the manual trading here. I buy, and then have sub-sell. And I have sub-sell, which is the sub-bin real-time mode in action. We have sub-sell. And there is sell right here, which is very awesome. We have sell, and we have sub-sell, we have sell. You know, sell is first buying amount up to layer 4 combined, okay? And sub-sell is layer 5 and beyond. So you can see we are making consistent profit already with our own manual trading. This is very conservative, guys. It's not gonna take a lot of capital, $400 for one coin. And this is the best setting that I'm using. Again, it's up to you how you're gonna set it, but that's actually how you can do a manual trade inside RoyalQ. Okay, guys, I will show you the result. Okay, this is the result. ADA, you can see we already make $0.2 profit from ADA. We just started a few minutes ago. While I'm editing this video, we already get the result, so we'll show you. So you will see this is our manual trade. We start right here, guys, which is today. Okay, today around 5:10. Let me show you today chart. We start around 5:10 p.m. Okay, around here, guys, we buy at this price, $1.452. Okay, we buy at this price. And then you could look at the market, look at the chart here. It goes up to $1.471 at 556. 556, somewhere around here, guys. Okay, we make profit. Okay, it goes up. This is real-time trading, guys, by the bot. Okay, so we take $0.2 profit, okay, 1%, which is what we used just now, the setting, right, goes up by 1.3%, and then it retracts 0.1%. So we make profit of 1.1% from the first buying amount, okay? You can see we buy at $20, so we make 1% of the $20. That's how it works, guys, and it will continuously working just like that. And you can see this video right here to show you how exactly Satbin real time is taking profit. Just watch this video to understand it.